Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling something a lot of you have been asking about, how to revert Google Chrome's interface back to the older style. You know, the one before the 2025 update that, let's be honest, some of us aren't exactly loving. First things first, let's acknowledge that Google doesn't provide a built-in revert button. They want you to embrace the new look. However, there are a few workarounds we can use and we will explore the most effective ones. One method involves using a Chrome theme. While this won't completely revert the interface, it can change the appearance of the toolbar and tabs, making them look much more like the older style. To find Chrome themes, go to the Chrome Web Store. You can access this by typing Chrome Web Store into Google search. Once you're in the store, search for Classic Theme or Old Style Theme. Look for themes that have good reviews and ratings. Install the theme and see if it makes a noticeable difference. Some themes are designed to mimic the appearance of older Chrome versions. Keep in mind that themes primarily affect the colors and shapes of interface elements. They won't change the underlying layout or functionality. If you're still not satisfied with the results, you can try using a Chrome extension. There are extensions that claim to customize the Chrome interface, but be very cautious when installing them. Only install extensions from reputable developers and always read the reviews before installing. Some extensions can be malicious or slow down your browser. Search for extensions that mention UI customization or interface modification. Again, read the reviews and check the permissions before installing. If all else fails, you can consider using an older version of Chrome. However, this is generally not recommended because older versions may have security vulnerabilities. If you decide to use an older version, you will need to find a reputable source to download it from. Be very careful when downloading it and make sure to disable automatic updates to prevent Chrome from updating to the latest version. Understand that using an older version can cause compatibility issues with websites and extensions. Another option, if you are comfortable with it, is to use a different browser altogether. Browsers like Firefox and Brave offer more customization options, and you might find that their default interfaces are closer to what you prefer. Remember, Google is constantly updating Chrome, and the methods we discuss may not always work. Stay updated on the latest Chrome news and tutorials and be prepared to adapt to changes. Ultimately, the best solution is to provide feedback to Google about your concerns. You can do this by clicking the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, going to Help, and then selecting Report an Issue. Let them know that you prefer the older interface and explain why. The more feedback they receive, the more likely they are to consider making changes. In the meantime, experiment with the methods we have discussed and find a solution that works best for you. Don't be afraid to try different themes and extensions. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. I will do my best to answer them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Chrome tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.